Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. What is Ramadan? People say we are fasting. That's only part of it. Ramadan is the 9th month of the Islamic calendar. It is also the month of sacrifice and worship, the month of peace and tranquility, the month of good and goodness, the month of forgiveness and mercy, the month of obtaining the paradise, the month of Quran and revelation, the month of celebration of being a Muslim. When we practice the 12 days of fasting, we don't do what we want. We do what the Almighty has ordained. Ramadan is beginning when the new moon is signed after the month of Sha'ban. When the holy month of Ramadan comes, the gates of paradise will open, the gates of hellfire will be closed. The devil will be chained. Muslims are observing the holy month of Ramadan because fasting during Ramadan is mandatory for those who are able to fast. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said in the Holy Quran, "O you who have believed, fasting during Ramadan is decreed upon you, as it was decreed upon those before you, that you may become righteous, so you may increase in obedience to Allah and decrease disobedience to Allah." When you prepare for Ramadan, you have to prepare to be more obedience to Allah and less disobedient to Allah, to do more sunnah and to do less haram, and to do less dislike action. Here are 8 things to know about Ramadan. Number 1, fasting during Ramadan is one of the 5 pillars of Islam. Number 2, Muslims believe it is the month when the first verses of the Holy Quran were revealed to Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. Number 3, the day changes every year because it's stemming on based on the Islamic lunar calendar. Number 4, people who are able to fast should abstain from eating, drinking, smoking, and sexual activity from dawn till dusk. Number 5, those who are able from fast include ill people, elderly people, pregnant and nursing women, menstruating and postpartum women, children and travels, and senior who either can't tolerate from fasting or upon whom fasting is harmful. They make it up there if they can. Number 7, Ramadan is also a month of charity. It is believed that rewards for generosity are multiplied on it. Number 8, at the end of Ramadan, Muslims celebrate Eid al-Fitr, or the festival of breaking the fast. May the spirit of Ramadan stay with you throughout the year. Ameen. Ya Rabbal Alameen. Ramadan Kareem.